I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna do a mystery. Okay, I'm gonna do it again. Hello, today I'm gonna show you a mystery with Lego. We'll need to find a bed, a gem a bed, a weird tire, and orange. An orange what? What an orange? Like transparent. Wait, let me just do a button. A transparent like thing. Transparent orange Lego ball thing. Okay, let's start. I can easily see the bed right here. I think is the bed. I'm gonna put it in the side. We have still lots more. And why is this up like that? It must be like smooth down. Let me see. The orange ball. Here, I got it. Let me remove it. We found already 2 stuff. Start of the video. We still have 2 more. Well, there isn't any gems or anything, but I see a bunch of stuff right here. What is all of this for? Let's check. Isn't this the gem? I just found the gem. Wow. Everything very fast. Oh, this white part is gem, I can say. Come here. The only thing is the weird tire. So that's gonna be very hard. Because I can't even see any weird tire here. La, 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 la. Whoa. Can you see? There isn't anything here. Wow. There isn't anything here or anywhere. There isn't any more hiding spots. Wait. Do you see something? Wait, let me just do something. A little thing. Okay, so can you see something? I think I found a hiding spot. Alright. Get it. Isn't this a wheel tire? Oh my god, we found everything! Yay! Oh, let me just put this back. There's a piece of Lego just fell down. Come on, get it. Let's put it back. Wow. That was so good. We now found it. Okay, see you in other mysteries. But wait a second. There must be something too. And let's put the wheel tire here. Put this here. And a nice lamp. And a bed. Isn't it a nice lamp? Okay. So bye. Please like and subscribe and bye. Let me just press the stop button.